Alright guys, 2020 Supra MK5. On this video, we're gonna show you how to change brake pads on the front caliper right here. See that old one? See the rotor? You're gonna turn this rotor out and you can see the fin on this thing is going backwards. So whoever installed this is on the wrong side. The fins is facing back, supposed to be facing forward. Alright, so stay tuned. Let's get started. Alright, so here's the kit. Front pads right here. It's all together. This is the part number. And this is the tools you need. A hammer, brake pad spreader, spreads the brake pads open. Extension, a ratchet, flat screwdriver, tool pick, 2-inch extension socket, a punch, something long, metal. We're gonna use this to take out the pins. 1/2-inch socket, impact style, and a T40, a brush, brake cleans, a solid hammer, and if you want you can use an impact. Alright, so let's get started here. Whoever is following the channel, you guys know already that we're changing the whole engine cradle on this. This is a new one now. I got a video of changing this without taking the engine. The engine's still on the engine bay. I just dropped the cradle. Check out that video. I got the links down in the description. And you can see the lower control arm, the trailer arm. It's not connected to the cradle yet. I'm gonna do that later. But for now, we're gonna take out these brake pads and then take out the caliper. We're gonna replace the brake pads with a new one. And then we're gonna turn this rotor. This rotor is still good. It's just a bunch of lines right here. We're gonna spin it out. It'll be nice and fresh. And dust shield right there. This one is bent. It's out of shape. I got a new one right here. You can see there's a part number. All right, so let's go. All right, just give a good clean on this thing in here. All this dust. We're gonna use the punch. We'll punch out those pins out. All right, be careful. You don't want to damage that caliper. You don't want to chip out the paint out. And now we're gonna use this Allen key. It's a strong one. We're gonna drive it all the way back this pin. All right, so grab your flat screwdriver. We're gonna push this retainer down, like just like that. And then we can wiggle this pins out. It's gonna be tough. Wiggle it out. Same thing on this side right here on the bottom. Wiggle it out. All right, there you go. Make sure to clean this up before you install. So just have to press that retainer down. And then next, we're gonna grab your brake pad spreader right here. We're gonna spread this brake pads open before we take out the retainer. The thing about this brake pads from the factory, they put a adhesive tape, sticky tape right there. So it sticks onto the piston. So we had to peel that piston away from back of the brake pad. So just use a flat screwdriver to peel that off. But first we're gonna spread this thing open, get the piston back into the bore. So just keep spinning it out and then you could hear cracking. That means it's working. And at this time, make sure your brake fluid cap is open so that you will release that pressure out. Okay, I could hear it's cracking now. It's bringing back to the bore, the piston. Yeah. All right, here we go. Just quickly peel out this tool because it's coming back the piston right away, the pressure. All right, get that retainer out. So you can see it's stuck on the back of that backing plate of the pads to the piston. So we're just gonna be careful. Use this flat screwdriver right here, peel it off in the corner. Careful with the paint. There we go. See, adhesive right there. Yeah, this is why we're changing it, because the rotor and pads is about to go. There we go, guys. Easy. We're just gonna give a good clean, brake cleans on this. And this is where your Y brush comes in. All right, guys, check it out. This is all cleaned up. All right, we're gonna use a 1/2-inch socket right here to take out that bolt. All right, well, we're gonna break out loose this bolt here. And then we're just gonna finish it off with the impact when it's super loose. So be careful, this will drop. Support it with your other hand. All right, there you go, guys. That one's out. So this bolt right here from the factory, we need to change it. And then here's the new one right there. Okay, here's the part number. All right, let's take out this rotor. We'll use T40 on this one right here. There we go, look at that. Wow. It sucks our hub is still good. All right, we'll clean this off and we're halfway there. We'll take out the rotor to the shop. They're gonna resurface it nice and clean and even. Put a brand new pads, put it back together.